Managing PooPrints is quick and easy. Let's talk through the details. Register a dog with these simple steps. First, log into your PooPrints account in the DNA World Pet Registry. Next, locate the pre-registration link. Residents will use this link to pre-register their information. Click here. This will copy the pre-registration link. Paste this link in an email to the resident. Be sure to instruct the residents to complete the form based on their pet ownership status. If they indicate they have a dog, that's where more information is required and our DNA process comes in. Dog owners will be required to enter their dog's name, gender, and whether or not it is an ESA or service animal. Now that the resident has entered their information, they are pre-registered with PooPrints. If they indicated that they had a dog, they will receive a QR code to their email that will be needed to complete the DNA registration of their dog. The resident and their dog will meet with your team to perform the DNA collection using the cheek swabs. This step is crucial for dog registration. There are 2 swabs in the DNA kit. Have the dog owner use 1 swab at a time, and with that swab, gently rub the inside of the dog's cheek for 10 seconds to collect DNA. Have them repeat with the second swab and let both swabs air dry. To complete registration, you must assign this DNA kit to this dog in the PooPrints app. Select Register Dog. If the resident has pre-registered, scan the QR code in the resident's email. Or if the resident does not have a QR code, search by name or resident number here. Next, take this opportunity to verify that the dog owner as well as the dog's information is correct. If needed, make the necessary changes. Scan the DN barcode by placing it directly under your camera lens. You can also enter the DN number manually here. Now the dog is registered. Once the swabs are dry, place them in the return envelope and mail them back to our lab. Now that your dogs are registered, let's cover waste registration. First, log into the PooPrints app. Click Scan TD number. Select your group. Then type in the location details of where you found the sample. You can then take a photo of the poo and submit the sample. Now your TD information is saved in the DNA World Pet Registry and is ready for processing. Next, open the waste collection kit. You'll see gloves, a knife, and a bottle with a unique TD number and barcode. Use the knife to cut off a nickel-sized piece of waste. DNA is located on the crust of the pile. It's not actually inside the poo. So for best results, flip the pile over and cut off the crust that's been protected by the grass, or cut off the end of the waste. Place it in the collection bottle and shake vigorously. You're looking for a milkshake-like consistency. Place the bottle back in the specimen bag, then into the return box and send it to our lab. Within 2 weeks, our lab will process the waste sample and email you the results. It's that easy. In just a few steps with the PooPrints app, you've registered the dog into the PooPrints DNA World Pet Registry. If you need additional assistance, reach out to your PooPrints rep or call 866-883-7389. Thanks for using PooPrints.